Compare with other suppliers. What else can Armstrong supply? Running a brake pad production line involves far more than just equipment. At Armstrong, we deliver a full one-stop service solution, covering every stage from project planning to after-sales support. We start with customized factory consultation and layout design, including equipment layout design, dust removal, and air piping arrangements, to build a well-organized production space for you. In addition, our experienced engineering team will provide reasonable suggestions for the site and necessary supporting facilities based on the entire line. We supply a complete range of production, testing, and packaging machines, along with professional on-site installation and hands-on operational training. More importantly, we fully consider your actual production demands. For brake pad manufacturing, it is critical that backplates fit perfectly with mold positioning pins. In addition, all accessories, shims, and spare parts also need precise matching with backplates. To save your valuable time and effort, we provide fully matched complete sets of accessories for every product model right from the start. Includes rivet, spring, wire cables, bolt, shim, and so on. You never need to spend extra large time on part matching. Armstrong pre-match and share all drawings for you. We also offer dedicated production technical sheets. Includes hot press to clinical sheet, mold development support, heating treatment to clinical sheet, and detailed brake pad grinding drawings. We also provide regular consumables, machine spare parts list, and practical production tools catalog for smoothly production. Choosing Armstrong means you get comprehensive, tailored services for your production line. Let's support your business every step of the way.